Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing the phone and accessing the right menu. Open Settings and tap Face ID and Passcode or Touch ID and Passcode depending on your model. This is where lock methods live. You need your current device PIN to make changes, so enter it when prompted. Once done, you'll see options to enable a passcode, set up Face ID or Touch ID, and configure require passcode timing. Follow these first steps now, so you can select one lock method next. You'll now set the lock itself. Tap Turn Passcode on and choose a secure option. 6-digit is standard, but you can pick 4-digit or custom alphanumeric for stronger security. Next, set up biometrics to speed unlock. For Face ID, position your face inside the frame and follow the on-screen circle motions twice so the sensor captures different angles. For Touch ID, repeatedly lift and rest your finger until the progress completes. Make sure to add an alternate appearance or additional fingerprint. Finish by tuning lock behaviors so they match how you use the phone. Set require passcode timing. Shorter times increase security, longer times improve convenience, and decide if you want erase data after 10 failed attempts. Once configured, test locking and unlocking immediately to confirm everything works. If biometrics fail, reboot the phone, clean the camera or sensor, then re-enroll your face or fingerprint, and make sure software is up to date. If problems persist, sign out of Apple ID and sign back in before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.